All right, great guys. I got another signal. I'm trading with $500 as you can see. If I'm winning, I'm making $435. If I'm losing, I will lose all the $500. So yeah, the first trade, I guess the next candle should be a red candle. So this trend is going down. So with the help of RSI, SAR, sorry, the parabolic SAR, also the RSI here, and the bands, Bollinger Bands, with the help of the rules from my strategy, applying the rules from my strategy. I guess I get this one. This one should be down. Yeah. And yeah, I missed here. I knew the color of this candle. I did not open trade here, but that's okay. This one I'm sure about. I'm sure about this one. So guys, if you're interested in learn or in using my strategy, the strategy that I use here, that's okay. You can use it on your trades. I'm explaining everything about, or everything I learned over the years, strategies that I use. Everything is explained in the course in the description below. I invite you to go take a look at the course and try to learn a thing or two. And remember, this is not a magical strategy that will make you millions in the first day. I don't know. This strategy needs a lot of work, a lot of hard work. You need to spend a lot of time practice on demo account. You need to keep practicing on demo account. Spend time, put a lot of effort, and hopefully with time you become familiar with the market. You will need to backtest your strategy. You also can do it by yourself. That's okay. You can you do it by yourself. You can trade on different platforms, and yeah, I guess that you can do it by yourself. You can learn. There is plenty of free stuff on the internet that you can learn from. Yeah, this one is also going down. I'm having this, so I'm making $435. Yeah, another win. I'm winning. I'm opening another beautiful trade. So yeah, so we have in this downtrend, I generate the signals with the help of, so with the rules, respecting the rules from my strategy, and also with the help of the indicators used here. So I use, for example, here I use I use parabolic SAR. So look here, I use also RSI, and I use Bollinger Band. So this band is a Bollinger Band, this one and this one. Yeah, those Bollinger Bands, I use the chart patterns from my strategy. All this stuff is explained in the course. I can't explain to you more about what's happening here. So yeah, it's plenty of good stuff. If you're interested, you can. Yeah, let's open a long position this time. Guess what? Yeah, long position here. Great. Look, this one. Right, this one, and also this one, also this and this. Those who have my strategy already know what's happening. So this one, and then this one. Yeah, already know what I'm doing here. So I guess my prediction was again right. Great. So I still have another 4 candles. I know the colors of the next 4 candles, I guess. The next 4. So the market is flipping here. Right, the market is flipping. So it was a green candle, but this one should be a red candle, or at least a smaller green candle. So yeah, I'm winning. Yeah, here. This one. it, so it's going down, right? This one was supposed to be a red candle and go down, but fortunately went up. So that's when I knew that my signal was created. So I waited for this candle, this candle, this one, and this one. Yeah, another $435. Let's go. I still have more trades, so yeah. So just as predicted, this one was risky. Yeah, this one was supposed to be a red candle, but fortunately I opened the trade above, so that's okay. Now I know what's happening. The market is flipping and I'm having a smaller candle. Yeah, let's see. Another win. I'm having more. Yeah, I guess I'm having another trade to open, another trade to open, another beautiful trade to open. Yeah, it should go up. It should go up. It should go up. This one. Yeah, this one. This one should go up. I'm sorry if you don't understand what I'm doing here, guys. And please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. This is not in any way a guarantee to you that you will make a lot of money and win every trade with binary options. It's risky. You could lose your money, so be careful. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. This is not a guaranteed video. This just will help you understand what's happening in here. I'm just simulating what is possible to be done. Yeah, so you are not guaranteed to have the same results. I guess we have in the last candle. Yeah, this one is going up. This was risky, but just to reach 8 minutes in this video. 8 minutes. So let's see if I can. Oh, a network problem here. This was a network problem, but that's okay. Yeah, this one, as I said, is going up. I'm making $435 if my prediction is right. Yeah, great. I'm investing $400. Let's see. Beautiful. Another win. So yeah, see you later, guys.